Every minute, the modern digital world provides you with opportunities to exchange a huge amount of information. In such data flow, the loss of even one important record may appear fatal. What if such data is personal or top secret? Neither of us wants to be a victim of fraud or common human error. Multiclet Company presents to you the almighty Multiclet Key P1, your powerful digital guardian.
Here it is Key P1 Multiclet, a digital guardian with multiple functions. We designed it to protect both your various storage drives and PCs from all kinds of threats existing in today's digital world.
Key P1 is a compact device which at first glance may seem to be a common flash drive. In fact, it has 3 connectors, a USB plug and socket, as well as an SD card slot. Key P1 Multiclet is designed on the basis of a multicellular processor.
When connected to PC in such way, Key P1 is ready to encrypt files. If we connect a USB flash drive to Key P1, then that flash drive takes on the properties of highly priced encrypting flash drives. And you can initialize unlimited amount of drives with Key P1 Multiclet. Why do we call it Digital Guardian? This is because its functions are not only limited to antivirus protection or encryption. It has more than 15 protective functions and advancing software.
For example, in the case when an intruder connects a modified USB flash drive to your PC, such drive presents itself as a common safe storage device and downloads data without your authorization. The aim of Key P1 is not to give access to such drives. To give your data extra protection when working with files, enter PIN code using a virtual keyboard. Using the corporate version of Key P1 Multiclet, you can set a file access hierarchy. For example, Financial Department documents will not be available for Client Relations Department, and meanwhile, the CEO can get access to files of both departments. Keep Key P1 with you and exchange confidential information with friends and home office using your synchronized guardians.
IBM company has predicted that in 5 years there will be a digital guardian which could protect people online from a variety of external threats, including ones existing in the real world. Key P1 Multiclet is our first step towards the creation of such digital guardian. See all the Key P1's full functionality below and please be welcome to any comments. Thank you very much for helping us make our brainchild a reality.
Invest your money now and get a greater safety for the best good-looking